What's up everyone, in this video we will be covering Samsung Notes versus OneNote. Both are powerful and both are available on Samsung devices. The video will cover the features displayed on the screen right now. So without further ado, let's jump in. Samsung Notes is pre-installed on Samsung devices, while it is also available on Google Play for other Android devices. An app for desktop is also available, but it is neither developed by Samsung nor it syncs with the mobile app. The software is developed by XDA developers and the interface looks similar. Apart from that, the software can open mobile app format notes. OneNote, on the other hand, is available for Windows PC, macOS, iOS, Android and browser. The mobile app offers limited features compared to the desktop. The video mainly focuses on the mobile versions of both. Samsung Notes uses your Samsung account, but most of the synchronization features are disabled by default. OneNote requires the Microsoft account to work. Both offer a dark theme, and both automatically apply the theme depending on the device's theme. OneNote also comes with a separate option to choose the theme. The dark mode only applies to the main interface. Opening a note shows the white background and text in the black color. The app comes with a category system to organize the notes. The search bar on the top can search for titles, categories, and the text within the notes. OneNote, on the other hand, applies the dark theme globally. It comes with notebooks. In notebooks you find sections, and under sections you see pages. The app also comes with sticky notes. The feature is only available on mobile app of OneNote. So what tools both offer? Samsung Notes comes with about 14 tools including lists, align, underline, undo, redo, etc. The whole list is shown on the screen. OneNote contrarily offers 16 tools. It comes with almost the same tools in addition to the link, strike through text and highlight. It also offers to attach documents as well, whereas Samsung Notes only offer to attach images and recordings. Overall, there is a difference of two elements in the favor of OneNote. One more thing worth adding here is that when the device is locked and the screen is turned off on Note devices, Samsung Notes automatically creates a new page to draw if you take the stylus out. Moving to reminders, here is the turning point. OneNote does not come with any reminding feature. Well, Samsung Notes also does not offer any, but the app works with Samsung Reminder to create reminders without too much effort. The second last section is sharing and exporting. Samsung Notes offers to share the file, but it does not offer to add anyone to collaborate. It offers to share in Samsung Notes, Microsoft Word, PDF, image file and text file formats. Microsoft OneNote mobile app also does not offer to add anyone to collaborate, and it only supports sharing the note as PDF and plain text. So this round goes to Samsung Notes. Alright, let's cover some little features which might make a difference. Samsung Notes comes with an AI tool to convert drawing into English text. It offers a recycle bin. It can password protect the notes. It also comes with an import option to import data from a phone, a Samsung account and Google Drive. And finally, it offers two add-ons, Neat Shapes and Easy Writing Pad, to make writing and drawing easier and fancier. OneNote, on the contrary, supports drawing when the stylus is close to the screen on Note devices. It comes with OneNote Badge feature, which adds a floating badge to open OneNote on any screen. And finally, it offers to control the synchronization by disabling the files and images sync. So which one is for you? Even though Microsoft OneNote is more popular, if you only need a note-taking app for the smartphone, you don't need to install a separate app. Samsung Notes is already packed with great tools. For a user who requires access to notes on other platforms as well, OneNote is the ideal choice. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching Samsung Notes versus OneNote. I hope the information was useful. Please like the video if it helped and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.